Three.
Hi sir,
Hi sir, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you. What about you?
I'm also fine sir.
So what is your name?
My name is Aman Malik and what about you?
My name is Ajit Fukkar and we are from.
I'm from Growth. And where are you from?
I am from Halalpur. It's near to Chhatrali.
Oh, that is good. And what are you doing nowadays?
Nowadays I am learning spoken English and also I'm learning computer.
Okay, and
What about you?
I'm learning spoken English and as well as I'm pursuing my BA by private and as well as I'm doing a job at a medical store
So why are you learning spoken English?
because I want to be a chemist and I want to develop my communication skills. And why are you learning?
I'm also learning spoken English that because I also want to develop my communication English because English is compulsory in every field.
Okay, it is good. And what have you passed?
I have passed my post graduation.
Oh, and what what do you want to be?
I want to be a policeman. And what about you? What do you want to be?
As I said, I want to be a chemist.
Okay. And what about your family?
About my family, so there are six family members in my family, including me, and two brothers, one sisters, and my parents. And what about you?
There are five members in my family.
And how many siblings do you have?
I have two siblings,
And how many brothers do you have?
only one brother.
And tell me about your hobbies.
My hobbies are playing cricket, watching TV. And what about you?
I'm learning. I'm fond of learning dance, watching dance, and run mobile.
Okay. Do you like to listen songs?
Yes, I like to listen songs.
What kind of pop song do you like most?
Usually, I listen Punjabi and Bollywood, as well as I listen English song. And what about you?
I
What
like
kind?
sad songs and Punjabi songs
Oh, why do you like sad songs?
because I'm sad person. That's
Hmm?
why I love to listen sad songs.
And why are you sad person?
And
As I see you, you are a very happy person. You are a very good boy.
but inside my heart is sad. Yes, I'm just kidding because I like to listen sad songs. That's why I listen.
Okay, this is nice. And do you like movies?
Yes, I like movies.
What kind of movies do you?
I love Hollywood movies.
Hollywoods. And which is your favorite movie?
My favorite movie is Avenger Endgame.
Oh,
What
that's
about
nice.
you? What kind of movie do you like most?
I also like Hollywood movies, and my favorite movie is also Avengers Endgame.
And which one is your favorite character?
My favorite character is Iron Man.
But my favorite is Thor.
Why do you like Thor?
Because OP is hammer
If
and Stormbreaker.
oh, that's nice. And what what does your brother do?
My brother do a job in Indian Railway.
Indian Railway. And how much is salary
It's salary around 35,000 per month.
per month? It is good. And what does your father do?
My father is a farmer.
Farmer.
What about you?
My father has a truck mechanic.
Okay,
Yes.
nice.
And tell me something about your uh, family.
My family, my father is a farmer. My mother is a housewife.
Hmm.
My brother do job in Indian Railway, and my sister-in-law she is a housewife.
Oh, that is nice.
Thank you.
And have you ever gone Agra?
Yes, I have gone to Agra.
And how do you find?
It was nice, but I was not able to see Taj Mahal because
What?
I was going to give my exam. That's why I have no time to see Taj
And
Mahal.
that's why you could not
Yes, able to
see.
see the Taj Mahal.
Okay.
Yeah.
Like, so have you ever any other place?
Yes, I have gone to many where like Chandigarh, Rajasthan.
Recently, where have you gone?
I have gone to Delhi.
Delhi. And for what did you go Delhi?
Just attending a marriage party.
And how do you find?
That was nice.
And what did you do in that marriage?
I just enjoy. I just enjoy that marriage party. I do dance. I eat foods.
Oh,
And where do you want to live in your future?
I want to live in Delhi because it is a very growing city.
Yes. Also, I want to live in Delhi. That's why I'm learning spoken English. After learning spoken English, I will go to do job in Delhi.
That's nice. And what are you doing to become a police officer?
Practice at my home. I'm taking classes, online classes at my home.
And do you not take any offline classes in any
No, I
coaching
don't take
center?
offline classes.
And in which platform do you take your online classes?
I take in Rozgar with Ankit
Rozgar.
classes. Yes.
It is very nice. I heard so many times, so many by so many people. It is very good platform
Nice.
to learning things.
Yes.
So, how many subjects do you study
I
there?
study two subjects, math and GK.
Only math and GK you
Yes.
study there.
Reasoning I do myself.
Hmm.
Yes. I do practice myself for reasoning.
And which is your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is English.
English. So,
I hate math
why do you hate math? It is a
because
very
I'm
good
very
subject.
very poor in math. That's why I hate math.
But had better to you.
Yes, I'm trying my
You should
level
learn
best.
math, and after learning math, you feel that it is very good subject
But I don't feel good.
while learning.
I'm always trying my level best to learn math, but I am not able to learn.
Why?
I don't know.
What is the reason behind it?
I don't know what is the reason behind this, but I do my level best. What about you? Which one is your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is math.
Math. Yeah, that's nice.
But now I cannot learn math. I cannot read math because of I doing a job at medical store,
Yeah, that's
so
why you
I
are
don't
not
have
having
that
time.
much time to study. That is the reason I cannot study.
Okay.
Nowadays I am learning only English. So
It was nice to see you next time. Thank you.
sir, thank you, sir.